This time we're talking about a facelift without surgery. Welcome to Fox in the Morning again.
Thank you very much. And yes, what we're doing here, I just started doing this treatment on this lady. I just have actually a couple of minutes that I started on one side of the face, and I will do half of the side so your viewers can see the difference between one side and the other.
Now tell us what exactly goes on with this machine, because those little wands that you have in your hand, they're not hot or anything like that. You said it's a current.
It's a very minute quantity of current, according to the research done in London and Oxford universities, is a minuscule quantity of current that regenerates the cell and builds new tissue. That research was done as a result of the Nobel-winning procedure, the patch clamp technique, that created the cell regeneration technique in London and Oxford University. This machine is the gem of all this scientific research that was initially created to deal different skin disorders and different disorders like cancers, and eventually was taken by the beauty field in order to create the facelifts. It also removes discolorations.
Oh, okay. But these facelifts are temporary, right? I mean, you can't expect to have the skin completely lifted from a few minutes of doing this.
Yes, you do. As a matter of fact, there is structural changes, and there is changes that are done in the DNA with this particular low electricity. And what you see basically is that the cell starts behaving as younger. Within 2 days, her skin is going to look even better than today.
Okay, so you have to continue the treatments every day? Is that how it works?
No, you can have a treatment every week, up to every week, and we recommend an average of 6 to 10 treatments for the procedure to last at least 4 to 6 months. It never goes back to what it was before.
Right, but it doesn't stay the same.
Well, you keep aging. Very, very important with this procedure is that in all other non-surgical, non-invasive procedures like lasers and Botox, there is some trauma involved of the skin. With this procedure is pure regeneration. The skin regenerates, the cell regenerates, produces more collagen and elastin, so the increase of collagen and elastin of the skin occurs without a traumatic process taking place.
Okay, and if you're a younger person who's just starting to see a few fine lines, you said we can do this as a preventative measure.
That's right. You can do as a preventive measure. You will never age. People really never age with the Perfector. I have never done anything else to myself but the Perfector.
We're right there. Now, this is the side that was left natural, and the other side you did, right?
Yes, that's right. And basically what you can see is that there's much smoother this side and is lifted. And
actually, you can see that, yeah. It is. You see the lift a little bit.
And
it is smoother.
The more I'm doing it, the more the muscles are going to be trained to stay up, and the skin will regenerate. Within 48 hours, your skin appears thicker.
Okay.
And that is the only thing that this machine does that no other machine that uses the same technology can do. It increases the thickness of the skin.
Well, Dr. Xanya, we appreciate you coming in and bringing us this new treatment that we can all try. And I do actually see the difference. So you see it too, right? So you're not going to leave her lopsided, right?
No, well, that's only
the other side.
What's very important to explain is that this is a 45-minute treatment that includes oxygenation, lymphatic drainage, and also the removal of pigmentation, scars, acne. A lot of dermatologists in New York use it just for the treatment of acne, actually. But I only did a few minutes here. I've only did like 4 minutes to achieve just a slight greater
we see a little bit of a difference, and we appreciate you coming in. Thank you so much.